But if you pick up the phone and make 200 cold calls a day, there's a high probability you can find work. But I spend this time networking, podcasting, branding, speaking for free, going to events. They aren't immediate revenue driving activities, but they build my foundation, they build my personal brand. Richard Branson, I don't know how I got through. I know it sounds silly for me to say that, but I had guested on the Digital Marketer podcast and built a relationship with Mark DeGrasse. Mark DeGrasse, he's the president of Digital Marketer. So I had guested on the podcast and he loved it. And we kept on speaking on LinkedIn. And he just said, hey, just put in an application. We kind of co-run the event. I don't call any of the shots, but I'll put in a good word for you. And I put my name in the hat. I tried to pick a topic that I thought no one else would be talking about. And I got the check mark. I got the green light to go. But it was because of that relationship I built. And a relationship like that is not built by making 200 cold calls and then moving on to the next 200.
Yeah,
It's
absolutely.
meant by adding value way more, depositing way more than you ever take out. So a lot of business advisors would look at my time spent and be like, Ben, you're not making nearly as much money as you could. You're spending so much time on relationship building, personal branding. You actually should do X, Y, and Z and you'll make more money. But I get fulfilled and lit up by conversations like this, whether or not it drives revenue. This is what I love to do.